Hey, what's up guys? Austin here. You guys are gonna join me for a call that I get regularly. We're gonna turn on a pilot light. I already called the customer. She said to let myself in, make sure the cat doesn't get out, and to take off my shoes. Simple enough. Sometimes there's some cold, dark nights, especially with Christmas coming up here in winter. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab some tools and we're gonna go into the house. So let me grab my tools. For a pilot light, it's pretty simple. I mean, really all I might need is going to be a lighter and a flashlight for the most part. Now, if I need something, I can always come back here and make sure I grab it. That's the nice thing of always being prepared. Let's go ahead and get to work. So, replacing a light bulb, whether that's 3 light bulbs, 2 light bulbs, 1 light bulb, that may be easy for me, but it might not be easy for other people. If you have a pilot light, we can do that too. I mean, that's just small, easy stuff. Now, we can replace a window. We could replace your bathroom. We could basically do anything. So it's really nice to be able to have us to be able to help property managers, especially with that, because they're too busy. You know, the landlord may not be mechanically inclined. They have someone like me to help them. So as you can see here, my guy just left. He's prepping the building for paint. It's gonna look amazing. And let's go upstairs. Hi, kitty. Make sure I shut this door. It looks like there's the heater. So let's go turn on the pilot light. Well, first off, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this off. And when we are trying to turn on a pilot light, especially one this age, we want to make sure and check whether or not the gas is on or the gas is off. So that knob right there looks like it is off. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that knob to the on position. And so now I turned it on. And next we have this knob here where it has an off, an on, and then a pilot position. And there should be a little red notch which says it's already in the pilot position. So a lot of the times what I need to do is I just need to push it down and I can hear the gas, and we're going to follow the gas line and figure out where to light the pilot light. And that's actually going to be right there. So I'm actually going to put my lighter up to that while pressing down on the pilot light, and I'm going to hold it for anywhere from 30 to 90 seconds until when I release the pilot button, the light stays on itself. When it does, then I can turn it on. And if it doesn't hold, then I know I need to just relight the pilot light and hold down the pilot light button until the flame stays on after I let that pilot light button back to its neutral position. Once the pilot light does stay on, I would just twist it to the on position. So let's go back to pilot. Just like I mentioned, I'm going to hold down that pilot light button. And now we have the pilot light that's on. And I'm going to keep my hand depressed on the pilot light button until the pilot light fuse, I guess we could call it, is hot enough to stay running itself. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to slowly release my finger off of the pilot light. So now my finger is not on there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the pilot light to the on position and then wait for it. And I'm actually going to turn up the heat by twisting this knob. And voila. So at this point, I'm just going to open up a window, turn on a fan, let the house air out, make sure the air inside the house is clean, and then I'm going to turn off the heater, but keep the pilot light on so the customer can just turn on the heater when they get home so we don't waste energy. If you made it this far in the video and you're a property manager or homeowner, I want to offer our services to you. Limited time offer if you need up to 4 bulbs replaced on a single outlet, or you need your pilot light, call us and we'll do it for free for the first time for 1 month only. That means through the month of December and through the month of January. You run into any other problems, we'd be more than happy to help you fix those issues and dial it in. Call me personally at 619-EASY-513. Again, that's 619-EASY-513. We're located all over in San Diego, so if you have any issues at all, don't hesitate to call. Till next time, later.